view prompts from the prompt gallery with lots of great options here. This is also available across other Microsoft 365 apps with prompt tips specific to each app. That said, let me show you our next power tip, which is something that's super powerful. If you're ever late to a meeting and join the meeting after it started, you can use Copilot to catch up on what you missed, even shared visual content that was presented during the meeting. Here, I'm joining a brainstorming meeting, and you can see that I've missed the first 7.5 minutes, but that's okay. I can ask Copilot to bring me up to speed by asking what I missed. And Copilot tells me exactly what was covered before I joined. Next, I can also ask if there were any visuals shared. And not only does it provide a summary of the content that I missed on screen, including embedded text, but it also shares still images of the shared content themselves. This one is an important prototype of the in-store campsite display, highlighting our product lineup. I can even zoom in for a closer look at the image. And because I'm caught up with everything I missed, I don't need to ask my team to back up and repeat what they've already presented. As you saw with the power user tips I shared today, whenever you use Microsoft 365 Copilot inside your apps, your work data is automatically delivered into the experience. There's no need to upload or paste work content into your prompts. This also means that your work information retains its protections. For more things to try, check out the free Copilot Academy at aka.ms/Copilot Academy. And keep watching Mechanics for the latest updates from Microsoft. And thanks for watching.
That was great, David. I learned one thing in there.
That's awesome. What was that?
The one power tip on power tip 3 and 4, basically bringing into Word all that information from those meetings.
Yep.
You typically do meeting recaps, but actually bringing it into an actual working live document. Pretty cool.
And that's the real magic of all of this is when you have your Copilot and it understands all those things and getting out of those old keyword copy paste habits. Remember, it knows what you know. And to be honest, I'll even say it probably knows more than I know because I'm not on top of all this stuff, right? But I'm involved in it at some level. So I don't have to worry about copy pasting, reformatting. I could just reference something that I've been involved in at some level, whether directly or indirectly, and Copilot's going to bring all that in as working context.
Exactly.
One thing I want to do before we close out here is actually move over to a quick demonstration, because this is a question we get asked all the time. What is the difference between Copilot Chat, which is the free/included version with all Microsoft 365 licenses, versus someone that has that full Microsoft 365 Copilot license that you can add on to your current Microsoft 365 subscription? We've mixed some things in that you can do. So that chat, that file upload, that enterprise data protection, all available in the free experience. But the things that you just saw in those power user tips, that's when you really start to experience the magic. So let's take a look and see what some of these key differences are at a high level explanation, and then we'll close out.
Sounds good.
Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI companion that helps inform and inspire you with helpful advice, feedback, and answers. There are a few versions of Copilot for you to consider. Let's take a look at Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Copilot Chat is available to businesses that have a Microsoft 365 subscription at no additional cost. With it, you can access features like text generation, image generation, and basic data analysis. Because it's grounded in the web, it can reason over the entire internet and quickly pull in relevant information.